Your computer crashed, and now you have a folder full of CHK files. These are your lost files, but Windows stripped the names. We can recover them. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the tool that identifies them. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling CHK files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. The CHK extension is an official subset of the larger data file collection. It is written in the InterCheck Checksum Database format. The CHK file is a proprietary quarantine file used by Sophos Anti-Virus software. It functions as a safe, encrypted container for files that the antivirus program identifies as malicious or suspicious. Its sole purpose is preventing the quarantine threat from infecting the system. Developed by Sophos, the format is closed source and highly encrypted. The design rules ensure the file is completely isolated from the operating system. The file is useless and inaccessible without the Sophos application's restoration utility, which is required to safely decrypt and restore, or permanently delete the contents. The proper file association links CHK directly to the Sophos solution by Sophos. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows may display simple metadata, but full interpretation depends on relevant applications. Your first step towards recovery: right-click the CHK file and choose Open With. If Sophos is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If your CHK file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, recognize the file type. Understand that CHK files are file fragments created by the CHK DSK ScanDisk utility and are often unusable. Next, attempt rename. If you know the original file type, e.g. it was an image, rename the file extension from CHK to the original extension, e.g. JPG, and try opening it. Finally, use Recovery Tool. Use a third-party CHK recovery utility, like File Scavenger, to analyze the fragment and attempt to piece together the original file structure. If your struggle proves the file requires software that reads it without external support, we must turn to the industry-grade inspection utility. That is the most dependable method to try. When troubleshooting fails, FileMagick steps in. Its unique ability to instantly render a preview of the CHK file, even with archive errors, makes it essential. Find the tool at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. That's a wrap on this guide.